Mastercam's 2D dynamic toolpaths have been game changers in the industry. In recent years, we've added functionality including finish passes and automatic region chaining. In Mastercam 2026, we've continued this work by adding a tapered helix option while entering into closed contours. Let's take a look. On our part here, we have a dynamic toolpath clearing out our first pocket. Next, we have another 2D dynamic toolpath cleaning out the deeper area. For the entry motion into this deep area, we have a helix. This is a great way of getting the tool to the bottom of our depth. When we go into the Mastercam simulator and we utilize the clipping plane, we can see how the tool enters the material using this helix. The challenge here is that once the tool gets to the final depth for this pass, the dynamic toolpath starts working its way out by immediately engaging into the material. This is a full flute-length cut, and with this, we get full-length chips that need to get evacuated. In this scenario, with this small area, it's often difficult to get the chips out and coolant and air in. In Mastercam 2026, the option for a tapered helix helps with the chip evacuation. Let's see what a tapered helical entry shape does in our simulation. Let's copy this toolpath and make a simple change. Under Entry Motion, I'll enable the Tapered Helix checkbox and regenerate the toolpath. If we look at this and verify with the same clipping plane, we see that at the bottom of the pass, we have the cone shape from the taper. And as our toolpath starts to expand out, it is slowly engaging in more material. So the first few passes here have smaller chip lengths, which is going to make it easier for the chips to get out and coolant and air to get in. It also eases the engagement of the tool as it steps over into material, because we have this nice stair-stepped scenario where the tool gradually works up to the full depth of cut. This enhancement is available in both 2D dynamic and OptiRough toolpaths. As you can see, this functionality greatly improves our ability to enter into material while gradually engaging in a full depth of cut.